It's Thredup Thursday, and you guys, it's also Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving from me to you, and thank you for joining me today on your Thanksgiving Day. Today, we're going to do just a quick unboxing, but I wanted to pop on and just say hi. Today, we're going to be opening the Thredup DIY Designer Box, or at least I think that's the box I have right here. I guess we'll find out. It's one of the larger boxes and it's very heavy. So I could be wrong. This could be a completely different box, but I think that this is the designer box. So we will get into this one and see what Thredup sent me. If you guys missed my Tuesday video, on Tuesdays I open jewelry where I do a thrift haul. And you guys, my Tuesday jewelry unboxing was epic, okay? Not only did I get a 14 karat gold chain, which the scrap value on that was over $400. But you guys, I also got Tiffany. And many of you know I love Tiffany jewelry. And this was a vintage tack pin and it said, "Try God." I thought it was just perfect. And it was just an amazing unboxing. I also got a ton of sterling silver and some name brands. So it was an excellent box. If you happen to miss that video, I will link it above. Go check it out. I also did offer some mystery lots of new tags jewelry and a Swarovski sale at the end. I still have a few pieces left from that. So if you're interested in any of those, make sure to send me an email, stinaresells@gmail.com. I do sell from my YouTube videos, and so you can use that email address to email me for any items that are in this box. And you guys, I'm going to the Real soon. I'm going on Sunday with Joanne over at Texas Cash. We are going to go over to the Real store in Houston and get some of our jewelry evaluated. They're having a promotion where you can earn a shopping credit. And so we're going to give it a go and see how that goes. Now, many of you know that I went to the Real store before and I brought in some items. Now, I didn't have a valuation appointment. I just had a drop-off appointment. So this will be a little bit different and I can give you guys some feedback on how that goes. My latest consignment into the Real, you guys, is still being processed, but I've already sold several items. So it's been doing well for me. If you are thinking about consigning into the Real, I will make sure to put my referral link down in the description. You can sign up through that and get a shopping credit by sending in your first item. So it's a lot of fun. I enjoy it. It's a way to move some of these designer items that maybe I don't want to list or keep for myself. And speaking of you guys, I am wearing a Burberry scarf that I got out of one of these boxes. So I have a few Burberry scarves. I think I offered this one up for sale, but nobody bought it. So I just decided to hold on to it. But isn't it adorable? I love the ombre effect on this one. So I thought it was perfect for Thanksgiving and I would wear it in my designer video today. Aside from that, I have on kind of a little shimmery, lightweight sweater. I have my ears stacked with gold balls. Well, they're not actual gold. These two are vermeil studs that I got out of a curated box from my friend Brighton. And then this top one is just a fashion ball stud. And then I have a little earring up here in my cartilage hole. So anyways, that's it for today. Just a few ball studs with my Burberry scarf. So let's get into this box and hope that Thredup sent me some good designer items, okay? There is just one piece of tape on this one. So I will cut the tape and then we will do first peeks together. Y'all, this box is so heavy. I don't even know how I'm holding it up right now. First peeks, OMG. It looks like we have a YSL coat in this gorgeous blue right on the top. There's something olive green below that, but y'all, I really can't see anything else. I just see this amazing jacket. So I am going to take a few thumbnails and then we're getting into this box. Okay, you know we have to start with that coat right off the top. I do see that it's got the authentication tag on it too, which is amazing. Okay, let's see here. Oh, it's like a blazer. This feels like a wool blazer. You guys check out these buttons. Oh, those are gorgeous. Okay, this blue is the most royal blue I think I've ever seen in my life. Gorgeous wool coat, or I think it's wool. We'll double check. It feels like wool. Shoulder pads. beautiful. It looks like it does need a good sweater shave. So far, that's the only thing I see. Yves Saint Laurent, made in France, Paris. It is a size 38. And these little tags that Thredup puts through them means that they have verified that this is an authentic designer piece. I feel like the designer boxes back in the day used to have them a lot. I feel like we don't see them as much anymore. So that's good. And I'm trying to see if there's anything wrong with this. Sometimes when you have a silk lining like this, it's ripped, but I don't see anything that is torn. It's gorgeous, you guys. Here's the back. Absolutely stunning color. Beautiful, beautiful piece. I truly cannot find anything wrong with this. All right, let me check the pocket and see if we have a materials tag. So there's no materials tag in here, but I'm going to say this is wool. Absolutely stunning YSL blazer in a size 38, which is a great size. I will put some I will check comps on this, and I will have a price on the screen. And otherwise, that is definitely going into the real row. Okay. Amazing first item that could potentially pay for the box. I didn't see a receipt when we opened it, so I don't know when I ordered this one. I think it's been a while though. Okay. These boxes are $140 plus shipping and plus tax. So for me, it comes all in at about $170. So the cost of goods on this is, I mean, it's something. You get 7 DIY designer or luxe pieces. Now, DIY means maybe there's a size missing. Maybe it needs to be cleaned. I mean, the only thing I can think of on this one is that it needs a sweater shave. But, I mean, I don't know. Looks really good to me. So I'll have to look that over a little closer. But there could be a hole in it, or maybe it just didn't sell. Okay, so we don't know. All right, we have another clip. Y'all, I got another authentication tag. Hello. We have an olive green or an army green, another like blazer or jacket. This one is by Marnie. Says made in Italy. I don't see a size at the top. Let's see if it's down here. This one also is a size 38. It's too bad I'm not a size 38, you guys. I would be scoring right now. And this says it is 100% cotton. So here's your interior tag. And then you've got your tag here. Gorgeous, like blazer, little jacket. Awesome. Like a casual jacket. I love that. That one also looks like it's in great condition, you guys. So we are doing good. All right. Just peeking in here, I don't see any accessories or shoes or handbags. Okay, so we may have all clothing in this one, which that's okay with me. Although I do love to get accessories. You guys, we got another authentication tag. Okay, this one is Dolce & Gabbana. This is the full line, made in Italy. Oh, y'all. This dress is gorgeous. I love the red roses on this. Oh. I mean, I really wish this was my size. It looks like there is an issue here with the strap. It has been ripped off, so that needs to be repaired. And it looks like maybe there's some slight staining around the edging of the white material. But otherwise, you guys, this dress is gorgeous. Let's see what size this is. This one's also a size of 38, you guys. Wow, this is beautiful. I love this dress, you guys. I would totally wear this. All right, well, gorgeous Dolce & Gabbana dress. It just needs a slight repair. I may get my mom on that stitch and get that one listed if one of y'all don't snag it first. Okay, next up. Oh, it looks like we do have some shoes in the bottom. All right, so we'll do, looks like we have, ooh, Looks like we have 3 pairs of shoes in the bottom. Next up, we have a sweatshirt. This is by Acne Studios. And you guys, got another authentication tag. Whoever packed my box was like on it. Made in Portugal. Acne Studios does not resell for the most, but most of the items that I've listed by them have sold. So people do search out that brand. So you can almost, as long as it's in decent condition, you can almost always at least get your money back out of it from these boxes. 100% cotton and a size large. Y'all, this is a great color. Okay. Really nice neutral. Beautiful. Not quite an oatmeal, closer to a khaki color. Really, really nice. I don't see anything wrong with this one. That's great. Okay. Now, you guys, we got 3 pairs of shoes. So let's see. There's a patent pair in here. You guys, we got Prada. Okay, I'm not super thrilled they rubber band these. Okay, but the authentication tag is on the rubber band. You guys, and these are not Prada Sport. Okay, these are the full line of Prada. Prada Sport has the red stripe in it, and that's kind of the diffusion line of Prada. Okay, there's your Prada branding there. On this one at least, and these are a size 36.5, so a smaller size. But on this one, you guys, I mean, aside from like a little mark here, this one's in really good condition. Okay, low heel. I would say this is about, I don't know, a 2-inch, 2.5-inch heel. So not bad, mid-size heel. There's your Prada branding. And then we've got this one. All right, again, look at the soles on these. Beautiful, beautiful condition. Somebody hardly wore these, and if they wore them inside. There is a little bit of drag on the tap, okay? And maybe a little mark right here. But the patent overall is in great condition. So this is a great pair of shoes, okay? So I, again, will look these up, and I will give you guys a subscriber price on these, okay? Next, it looks like we have a pair of Burberry. You guys, I'm wearing Burberry. Okay. We've got a pair of Burberry wedges. These have an espadrille on the bottom. Again, we got our authentication tag. So let's take this off. What's on there? Oh, that makes me laugh. Okay. These are so cute. So the string goes up the front, around the back. It is a closed toe. It's really, I can already tell these are not my size. These are a 39. I feel like I would probably wear a 40. There's your Burberry. It is a little dirty. It needs to be wiped down. But you guys, these are also in great condition. Look at these. Oh, these are great. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, there's the other one. Again, great, great condition on these. Truly just needs like a wipe down on the inside. That's literally all I see that is wrong with this. Beautiful. Beautiful. I feel like the designer boxes go through phases in different ways. I feel like they'll go through phases where there's a lot of high designer items in them. I feel like they'll go through phases where like the pieces are trashed. And then they might go through phases where there's a lot of luxe items. Or they'll go through a phase where the boxes are really hard to get, like right now. I remember one time, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago, or maybe it was 3 years ago, I don't know. I like could not get a box. For months, I couldn't get a box. And it was so frustrating. And then they go through phases where they're easier to get. So these boxes kind of change. That's why I think it's really interesting to watch the unboxings and see what people are getting. It gives you an idea. You know, you never really know what you're going to get, but it gives you an idea of kind of what's coming in these boxes because they do change. They do go through different phases. All right, last item. Another authentication tag, you guys. Hello. I'm sorry, do we have 2 authentication tags? Oh, this is actually an authentication tag from Off-White. Are these new? No, they're not new, but look, you guys, I don't know where this tag is from, but this says Off-White 2013, and then it says zip tie. I don't know, but you guys, how cool are these sneakers? I mean, I'm here for it. I love the black and white stripe. You have red kind of on the inside. They're tied together. Sorry. They're tied together. They go like this. Okay. Really cute. I love these. These are great. All right, let's see what size they are. This says Off-White, and then it says his and hers. Okay. His and hers, and these are size 36. Size 36, Off-White sneakers. Awesome. Great condition on all of the items in this box, you guys. Amazing. Am I disappointed we didn't get a handbag? Always. Am I disappointed we didn't get an accessory like a pair of sunglasses? Of course. But you guys, this box was not disappointing at all. This box is amazing. Okay. We have the Off-White sneakers. And you'll get an idea of kind of what these things comp out for. I will either have screenshots from the Real of these items on the screen, or whatever price I give on the screen. If you double that, that's what I would be listing it for. Okay, so it gives you a ballpark of what potentially I could sell these items for. We have the Burberry espadrilles for $2. The Prada heels for $3. The Acne Studios sweatshirt, okay, for $4. Oh. We got the Dolce dress for $5, which this one does need a little repair. Doesn't seem like a big deal. We got the Marni casual jacket for $6. And then we got, you guys, this like blazer is insane. The YSL gorgeous electric blue wool blazer for $7. I would say this item probably will come close to paying for the box, if not the sale of 2 items for sure. So this box is definitely going to be a profit for me, and it was great. What a fun way to spend Thanksgiving. I hope everybody is having a great day. I'm spending the day with my family out in Central Texas. It is my niece's birthday this year on Thanksgiving, and she wants to lay in bed, listen to Taylor Swift, and watch Wicked with me. So I feel like that's kind of like the best day ever, you guys. So I hope everybody is having a great day. Let me know what you think of the box, and I will be back next week. Tuesday, I'll be doing another jewelry unboxing, and then I'll be back on Thursday for another Thredup Thursday. Until then, bye y'all.